So here we are, we got the 3.8 liter V6 Chrysler Town & Country, and we had a code P0404 EGR valve, which is located, I'm putting my index finger right on it, and all it is two nuts holding it on the bottom. They're 10 millimeter, and one wire connector here, which has got a little safety tab on it that releases it out. The only other thing holding this assembly back is a half inch socket, deep socket. That'll take that bolt out of there. And here you got the 5/16 socket. That'll take these two nuts out of here. You got the whole assembly out. Now this pipe itself is very black and dirty, and what caused that EGR valve to go bad was there was a lot of crud right in the center of that hole right there, and I had to take off that cover right there. I have another video that closely takes a picture of that, but basically these tabs that are on here can come off with a pliers, and can go back after very thorough cleaning, and this is ready to go for the next time it clogs up. I got myself a spare right here.